What's up, everyone? In this section, we're going to deploy a DMVPN PHASE3 between the headquarter, our VPN concentrator, R1, and a new router that I added that became the gateway for sd-wan controllers. And the idea is to allow the branch sites to use both paths to reach the controllers. So right now they're reaching controller using a default gateway tower, so using iNet transport. And the idea is by establishing a tunnel with R1, then R1 is going to establish a BGP adjacency with this router and is going to advertise this prefix to all the branch. Okay, so this is one of the requirements also, as stated in our bullet points. And I have prepared our script, and it's quite simple actually. All we have to do is to configure an interface tunnel, set the IP address, some parameters to handle the overhead, enable NHRP and interface, specify the NHA's IP address and how to reach it. And since it might in future I might add additional peers, so I'll be using DMVPN PHASE3 for spoke-to-spoke communication, using authentication as well, and sourcing the traffic from my outbound interface. And once the tunnel is operational, then I'm going to establish BGP adjacency. So let's start by pasting these into our new router. And I'm going to do the same on R1. Yep, CCIE. Okay. Yes, I have a warning because of the previous video we configure Flex VPN, so it's warning us about using the same source interface. Let me see if tunnel is okay. It's okay, and tunnel is established, so this means that we can proceed with the BGP part. It's quite simple actually. Just this is R1. We're going to establish a JCC, and our router 123 is going to advertise controllers network. So it might take a minute, less than a minute actually. Okay, so adjacency is up. So to look here, R1, we see 72.1.1.1. Now this is going to be advertised to our PE router. That is going to advertise to our route reflector, is going to advertise to all the other routers. And right now I have just enabled power on V1, V11 and V22. And let's see this on vmanage. What's the status right now? Well, so there are two V edges operational. So if I want to check, well, I should right now I should have two transport. Let me expand this, two transport networks. Okay, so if I check on V11, I should have two T-locks right now, one of them being MPLS, one of them being B's internet. Okay, and it should have established tunnel adjacency with 22, I believe that was 22 using MPLS and internet. Where is the other one? Yes, using MPLS and using internet. This is pretty much it very straightforward configuration. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.